Hey everybody, it's me, Crystal Sings, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because I finally have an actual camera that I can film with. This is a pretty tight shot because I've got a limited amount of space here to film in, but here we go. Today I'm going to be planting this, which I've had for like probably over a year, but yeah, so hopefully the seeds are still good. There's the back of that. Let's see, everything included, just add water. Seed test, October of 2019. So yeah, these are a couple years old. I don't know if they're actually gonna sprout, but we'll find out in a couple days, I guess. This is a kit for growing organic microgreens. It's an organic microgreens grow kit from Back to the Roots. This is the rainbow mix, songo radish, purple kohlrabi, and red cabbage. 100% guaranteed to grow, ready to harvest in just 7 days. Everything is included. There's the organic microgreen seeds, a compostable grow tray, expandable soil disc, and a growing guide. It's made of 100% compostable and recyclable materials. The magic of microgreens. Tiny but mighty. Microgreens are one of nature's best kept secrets. These baby seedlings are packed with flavor and nutrition, up to 40 times the vitamins and minerals of their mature plants. Just one pinch is all you need to liven up any sandwich, salad, or smoothie. Grows indoors, year-round, no green thumb required. Step 1. Plant your seeds. Step 2. Water once a day. Step 3. Harvest in just 7 days. Recipes at backtotheroots.com. Grow one, give one. Help us make gardening a part of every school curriculum. Share a photo of your microgreens grow kit and we'll donate one to a classroom of your choice. You can find them on Instagram at backtotheroots, hashtag grow one, give one. Got some water here in a watering pail. Don't want to lift that up too high because if I do, I'll probably dump it on everything. Get this open. Oh, there's the growing guide. What's this? Oh, maybe this is the growing guide. What are these? Oh, those were the instructions. There's the instructions. This looks like it's the growing guide. Back to the Roots, germination lid and grow calendar. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4, Day 5, Day 6, Day 7 to 10. Plant and water on the first day, relax, no water, Day 2. Day 3, uncover and water 3 to 5 tablespoons. I need a spoon. Water 3 to 5 tablespoons on the 4th day. On the 5th day, same thing. 6th day, same thing. And on 7 to 10, hashtag grow one, give one, and harvest. On day 1, text GROW to 888-111 for reminders along with your growing journey. Standard message and data rates apply. What else do we have in here? Oh. So we've got the tray here. And this is expandable soil disc. It's like a little jiffy thing. Non-brand name. Generic, I guess. Here's the tray. You can definitely tell that it's easily compostable. Made out of recycled materials. Ta-da! And there's the seed packet. Back to the Roots, organic microgreen seeds, rainbow mix, USDA organic, net weight 4 grams. Food we grow, food we know. a flavorful and colorful combination of red cabbage, songo radish, and purple kohlrabi. Tips, tricks, and FAQs at backtotheroots.com. Contents: organic broccoli seeds, organic kale seeds, organic kohlrabi seeds, organic cabbage seeds. Distributed by Back to the Roots Inc., 100 Webster Street, Suite 200, Oakland, California, 94607. Certified organic by OTCO. Back to the Roots. Microgreens Grow Kit Instructions. Step 1. Expand the soil and plant your seeds. Place the organic soil disc in the grow tray and add 1/3 cup of water on top. Allow 30 seconds for the soil to expand. Then spread it out in an even layer along the bottom of the tray. If parts of the soil remain dry, add more water in 1 tablespoon increments until it's fully expanded. Open the seed packet and sprinkle all seeds evenly across the soil. Add an additional 3 tablespoons of water over your seeds to help with germination. Step 2. Cover your tray for 48 hours. Place the germination lid on top of the grow tray and leave covered for 48 hours. There's no need to add more water during this time. Covering the tray helps keep your seeds moist and gives them the best chance to grow. When you remove your lid, you should see little sprouts popping out of your soil. Note: bottom of tray can get damp. Use coaster on sensitive surfaces. See silky white fibers near your seeds? Those are healthy roots starting to grow. This garden is 100% guaranteed to grow. Not growing? Not a problem. We're here for you. Find FAQs or contact us at backtotheroots/FAQ. 100% guaranteed to grow. Back to the Roots. Microgreens Grow Kit Instructions. Step 3. Ongoing watering. 3 to 5 tablespoons per day. Add 3 to 5 tablespoons of water per day until harvest. Microgreens grow well in direct or indirect light, but watering levels can vary based on temperature and amount of sunlight. If you notice your plants drying out, add an extra 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Step 4. Harvest your greens between day 7 and day 10. You can begin harvesting your microgreens just 7 days after planting. Harvest some each day. Just a pinch goes a long way. Or all at once. It's up to you. Use scissors to cut stems just above the soil, and wash them thoroughly before eating. Be sure to harvest all your greens by day 10. They'll stay fresh in your refrigerator for several more days. Delicious recipes available at backtotheroots.com. Okay, time to start planting. Expand the soil and plant your seeds. I'm gonna put just enough water on here. Ooh. Whoa, that was pretty uneven. Okay. Add a little more water. God, do you hear that? Is that side dry? It's probably already way too much water in here. It's like a cake. It's so weird. I probably should have thought this through a little bit better. Okay, I found a trowel. So even though they say that everything's included, you're probably gonna want some other gardening tools. Okay, I'm supposed to spread it out in an even layer along the bottom of the tray. Parts of the soil remain dry. Add more water in 1 tablespoon increments until it's fully expanded. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's still crackling. Well, that's probably good. Ew, it's like peat moss. Oh, Ah! Oh, now it just looks like poop. This kind of gross. So that's what that looks like. Evenly spread and moist. Okay, now I'm supposed to open the seed packet and sprinkle all seeds evenly across the soil. Add an additional 3 tablespoons of water over your seeds to help with germination. So I guess I don't put them like into the soil, just on top of the soil, which is not how I'm used to planting seeds. They look like rocks. All sorts of different ones in there. Whoop! Tried to escape. I think I'm gonna pour some into my hands first. Okay, let's try this. This ain't gonna be even. There's a big one there. That wasn't even. Oops. There's one stuck in the corner. Come on. Ooh, got it. It's not really all that even, but oh well. Guess that's okay. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Oh no, they floating. Shoot. This is why the other seeds that I planted earlier this year didn't really do so good because I had way too much water. It might be easier. I'm thinking if I had like a spray bottle or something. Oh my god, they're floating so they're floating so bad. Sugar. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit. This is probably gonna be a fail. Alright, now that I've made soup, I will come back in a couple days and show you the progress. Hopefully this turns out alright and they'll be edible and I won't get sick from eating them. I'm guessing this is the germination lid, so I'm gonna put this on top of the seeds now. Let's hope they grow! Thanks to everyone who's watched this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know down below in the comments, and we'll see if I can do more videos like this. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and follow me on my social media, which is probably linked in the description box. This was Crystal Sings, and I will see you next time. Bye!